Hey guys, this is Tony. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to lay out the project. In the last video, we talked about different objectives, strategy, and tactics. So based on, say, the strategy that we select, in this instance, it's Ultimate Single Guide. And there are different tactics we can use for that particular strategy. So I'm going to use that as an example here. So as you can see right here, the way I laid it out is strategy, tactic, and different process. So I'm using Buzzstream, and if you're familiar with Buzzstream, which I'll show you in a minute, that you can actually create folders, subfolders to organize your projects. So in this particular example, we have single guide as a strategy. Then we are going to have a resource page as the target tactic here. Then within that resource pages, we can have different process. So for example, week one, we are going to target 500 websites, let's say. So, we are going to find those websites based on these 10 keywords. So that's week one. And you can basically record those 10 keywords in a Google Sheet, and later on down the road, you can come back and say, okay, week one, here's the 10 keywords that we targeted. What was the result? And we know there are 500 in here. What's the result? And so that's one way to do it. Another way is to batches. So you don't really send out emails every week, maybe. I don't know. It really depends on your process. So for batch one, we are going to break it up into 3 weeks, let's say. So week one, week two, week three, we target different keywords. We recorded that in the Google Sheet, and overall batch one contains this kind of target. You have a record of that, and batch two contains this kind of target. And another way to do it, maybe keyword group. We can have pre-selected keyword groups, similar ones. Let's say, we're going to search for all the maps. Okay, maps related keywords. We're gonna exhaust that list by going out there and find all the relevant related websites, and that's gonna be in keyword group one. Then keyword group two, we are going to maybe target a specific demographic. Let's say, geographic region. So let's say Florida. So we again go out there and exhaust all the Florida related keywords and find a bunch of websites, and that will be within this keyword group too. So that's the idea here. Now let me switch the screen to show you what I exactly mean and what it will look like when we use Buzzstream. So in Buzzstream, this is what it looks like. So we have a Florida single guide. We also plan to do another different strategy, but for this Florida single guide, we have, as you can see, different tactics, and this is still work in progress. Obviously, we have these guys based on different categories, so to speak. And let me show you the competitor link. So here's the competitor link. We have the outreach in progress, and then we can also create another folder, outreach completed, so that we can move this particular project between those folders to know which one is still in progress. Since we have different team members on the team, we need to be more organized so that everybody communicate with each other easily. So this is what it looks like in Buzzstream. You essentially want to organize them in a manner that it's easy for us to come back and analyze it later. And obviously, while we are working through it, you want to be sure it's easy for you to carry out the task efficiently. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.